I'm gonna let you chill out today. You know, this is probably one of the only days I'm gonna beat you. Any other day you might have you can keep up because you know how to drive that thing, but this I'm out of there. Go ahead and get this out. What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in today. You guys caught that video yesterday where we pretty much just finished up all the little stuff in the garage and got everything situated, man. But today is a new day, man. You guys know what time it is, and you guys see what's in the background, man. That Hellcat has been parked for a while, but I think today is the day that we had to pull it out. Just check it out, because my dog just got his Chevelle put together and got it back A1, man. So you guys know we got to go slide real quick, but I was tired of sliding in the Lambo, so I had to pull something out that I ain't slid in a long time either, man. You guys know what time it is. If you guys are just now tuning in, though, I appreciate you, man. If you guys haven't, though, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. It's time to go. Yeah, man. You guys know we on them rose gold 4G autos today, man. I can't wait to get that thing situated. Meanwhile, you guys can have a wide body too. You guys know we got the whole ooh and ah giveaway coming up, man. If you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win, all you guys got to do is head on over to everythingsregular.com right now. Go copy your Everything Regular wallet, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. You guys know we got our 2020 Silverado dually truck paired together for first place with our 2021 matching CVO Road Glide. Yes, man. The bike and the truck. The bike will be on back of that thing when you get that. That's just first place. Meanwhile, second place, we got our wide body Hellcat and our 2020 matching Road Glide special up for grabs. So not only do you get a bike and a truck for first place, you get a wide body Hellcat and a bike for second place. Meanwhile, third place, man, you guys know we got a Road Glide up for grabs. Now, I don't know which one I want to give up, but it'll probably be that green and blue one, man. So be on the lookout for that. Meanwhile, man, we got first, second, and third. Head on over to everythingsregular.com right now and go support your boy by copying the Everything's Regular wallet, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. Meanwhile, the wallets are only $35, so go get in while you can. You never know, man. We could be pulling up to your door with one of these bikes, or you could be coming out here to Houston picking up a Hellcat or a dually and a bike together, man. It's all up to you, man. I appreciate your support, man. It's all love. But let's get right into the video now, shall we? Yes, sir. I got that thing out today. We on them daddy-os. Y'all see what's going on. We on them daddy-os today, gang. Y'all see how we slide, man. We got the roof back and everything. I got it in sport mode and all that, man. So it's really time to go, yeah. It's really time to go, yeah. We probably just about to go swerve a couple blocks or something real quick, but you know we in a Hellcat, so it's always gonna be fun, man. So we're gonna see what gang doing. Man. It's a movie. Gang got that Chevelle out. Boy, in that old school today. I'm ready. I got gang today. He don't want to mess with me today. Yes, sir. He better hurry up and LS swap that thing. I know that much. Throw a blower on there and everything. Cause today is my day, gang. He better not gas it. I know that much. I done already came to the conclusion. He don't want that smoke today. I don't think he want that smoke today, man. What's up, man? What you wanna do? Go to the gas station right here. Alright. Like I done put out that 1970 something. I don't know what year it is. But I'm in a 2020 Hellcat today. I got him beat today, y'all, on the speed. What year is this again, bro? Huh? What year is this again? 72. 72? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna let you chill out today. You know, this is probably one of the only days I'm gonna beat you. Any other day you might have you can keep up because you know how to drive that thing, but this I'm out of there. So you gonna have to hurry up and get the LS for me, get the blower and all that.
I'll get all that.
Yeah.
Don't forget your ass.
Yeah, it's all good.
For a fact, when I get the blower, bro, it's over with.
Right.
I'm gonna drive how you driving that box.
No, it's all good. I'm gonna be waiting for you, gang. That's why I'm trying to take full advantage right now.
Yeah, but
what you mean?
But yeah, that's I gotta say, but that's stuff.
Y'all see what's going on, man. We out here. We out here, gang. Got that Hellcat out finally. Finally brought it out. Got them things on them things, baby.
Huh? Yeah, right. Oh, it's the bomb.
They bring you back to the old days or what, gang?
The old days. My brother used to have, I was telling my brother used to have one like that. Cold blue.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. It sounded like
this brought back memories then, huh?
It did.
Yeah, okay, gang. It's good. It's good. We got the black on blackout today. We got that blackout kit today, man. We in them blackout kits, gang.
That Hellcat ain't playing over there.
Oh yeah, he ain't playing today, man. It's like I said, it's like one of the only times I'm gonna have an upper advantage. You feel me?
I love them wheels.
Appreciate you, gang. Appreciate you, man. Look, you got the SS on the oohs and the ahs, man. Come on, gang. Well, we didn't call them out the light, y'all. Go ahead and pick this up. What's up, man? How you doing? Good seeing you, man. Oh, this what you got sitting over here, man? The little V with the oohs and the ahs?
2 days ago, really.
I like this. It's different. Matched up everything.
That was in my color. Yeah.
I like that.
Bro. That was 2 days ago. And then his series.
That's different.
I ain't seen a person.
I like that.
I ain't seen a person here yet, bro.
Ooh.
But this here.
This how you feeling, gang?
Yeah, man.
The Big Daddy with the Big Daddy?
You got turbo on it, man, on that?
Supercharged. Whippled up. What's that Whipple supercharged thing? Okay, I see what he doing. I see what he doing.
That's what it was. Yeah, I didn't say. I didn't say it to look back.
Totally turned.
That's what it looked like at first.
Oh yeah, that's different.
That's the same motor right there?
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's it right there.
Yeah, he did that for sure. Big Daddy's over here and everything, man. Oh yeah, that's cool.
My interior we did though. You get a door panel we did. And, I want to go back OG with mine though. Like, all original, like they have it green, but the original seats, original stitching. Yeah, I told him about getting my dark away. That ain't gonna happen.
Yeah, I feel wild. Like, see.